function in Tableau. So upper function returns a string with all characters in uppercase. It is widely used function in Tableau. So we'll be using NFL offensive player stats dataset which we have imported using Microsoft Excel option in Tableau. So to beginning with, we'll be using 1999 to 2013 datasheet. Now moving on to sheet number one, we create a calculated field with the name upper player. Now in this calculated field, we'll be using upper function and the string would be player. Alright. Now, what function will do? Function will bring all the string in the of the player dimension in the uppercase. So to begin with, we drag player dimension and drop it onto rows shelf. Now we drag upper player dimension and drop it onto text under the marks card. So here we see that all the string in the player dimension have been converted to uppercase. So this is the use of upper function in Tableau. Alright, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.